How to prevent birds at airport with Sairen-S. Start spraying Sairen-S liquid, then you soon see the change. After spraying Sairen-S, notice the birds starting to gather together to find food, but the birds are unable to land and feed in the area where Sairen-S was sprayed because they noticed an abnormality in the area. This caused some birds to start flying away already. The group of birds become smaller. The birds still have the habit of coming to find food in the area, but the number of birds is gradually decreasing. Only a few birds are eventually left flying into the Sairen-S spraying area. In the end, the birds learned that the existing natural food there has changed in smell and taste. The birds feel suspicious and evacuate from the area in their own.
you